Habari zenu? Waandishi wa habari hawaitikangi. Habari zenu? Yes. Thank you, fellow Kenyans. We've come to this Lee funeral home in a very somber mood. A dark cloud is hanging on Parliament. Having lost one of our members, a member who was serving his second term, Honorable Charles Were, a friend of many of us. I personally have known Charles since 2013 when we were campaigning together during the Code movement. He was our key man in Meru, and we have been working together since. As you are all aware, on the 2nd of this month, we lost our colleague. And the circumstances under which we lost him are evidently criminal. And we stand here to urge the agencies of administration of justice, the DCI, the General Police, and all those involved, ending with the DPP, to leave no stone unturned until we catch up with those who committed this cowardly act of pumping several bullets in the body of our Member of Parliament. We want to be open-minded so that investigations can be carried out freely and fairly. And as Parliament, we will be available to assist in every way we can with any information that may be helpful, that the investigators may seek, so that we find a way of bringing the perpetrators of this act to the arms of justice, so that we can be able to make sure that those who live by crime must face the music. As a House of Parliament, we are actively involved in the preparations for the interment of our colleague, and we have put together a team that is working with the family. The team is being chaired by the member for Teso North, Honorable Uku Kaunya, and we have several other members who are working together with the family and any other agencies that are involved. As you are, Kaluma is the chairman. I thought you said, okay. I had appointed actually Kaluma. I thought he said Uku Kaunya is the chairman. Peter Kaluma from Homa Bay, where our colleague comes from, is chairing that committee. As you are aware, we are going to do the interment on Friday this week, the 9th, at his home in Kasipul constituency. And tomorrow we'll have a requiem mass in one of the Catholic churches in Nairobi, Consolata Shrine. We invite all men and women of goodwill to join us. We send a message of condolences collectively to the family, to friends, and to the people of Kasipul constituency and Homa Bay County and Kenyans as a whole. Thank you and God bless you. Tumekuja hapa Lee Mochari kuangalia mwili wa mbunge wetu Charles Were ambaye alipigwa risasi na watu ambao hatujui ni nani. Tunaachia polisi wahakikisha hao watu wanashikwa na kupelekwa mahakamani. Kwa wabunge wetu, ninawarai kila mmoja wenu amepewa security, muhakikishe kwamba wale walinzi wenu wanafanya kazi sawasawa. Kama mnataka tuwapeleke training, tutafanya hivyo kama bunge tukishirikiana na Police Service Commission, na nataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba kila mbunge anakuwa na security ya kutosha ili wafanye kazi yao bila uoga au bila kuhofiwa kwamba